Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly essential piece of equipment for anyone relying on their Elmo visual presenter or other compatible devices, the Xerox Global 12V AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's designed to offer seamless and reliable power connectivity, ensuring your devices are always ready when you are. One of the first things you'll notice about this adapter is its incredibly compact and efficient design. It's built to be unobtrusive, fitting easily into any setup without adding bulk. This little powerhouse is engineered for performance, effortlessly handling a wide range of input voltages, from 100 to 240 volts. It precisely converts this to the 12 VDC your Elmo 5ZA0000104, 5ZA0000104C, or 5ZA0000036 visual presenter needs. This global compatibility makes it an absolute lifesaver for travelers or anyone working in different environments. The build quality of this Xerox adapter is genuinely impressive. It features a sturdy construction using high-quality materials, which translates directly into durability and long-lasting performance. This isn't a flimsy accessory. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, whether constantly plugged in or frequently packed for presentations. Its sleek design further enhances its portability, making it an ideal companion for educators, business professionals, or anyone who needs to power their document camera on the go. Safety is, of course, paramount when it comes to power supplies, and this adapter doesn't cut any corners. It includes built-in surge protection, a crucial feature that safeguards your valuable electronics from unexpected power fluctuations and surges. This provides immense peace of mind, knowing that your expensive Elmo visual presenter or other compatible monitors, PCs, printers, speakers, or tablets are protected from potential damage. The brand has also ensured that this power adapter adheres to strict safety standards. It has undergone rigorous testing and is certified to meet all relevant industry regulations, guaranteeing reliable and stable power delivery every single time. So, if you're looking for a dependable, robust, and safe power solution for your Elmo visual presenter or other compatible devices requiring a 12 VDC barrel-round connector, the Xerox Global 12V AC-DC adapter is an outstanding choice. It promises seamless power connectivity, allowing you to stay powered up and connected with absolute confidence. It's a small investment that offers significant returns in reliability and protection for your valuable equipment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.